Sounds of English.
Today we're going to talk about the sound
A.
The sound
A.
can be spelled in English many different ways. For example, we have A as in hey, H-E-Y. We have A as in the letter A. We have A as in great, G-R-E-A-T. We have A as in ballet, B-A-L-L-E-T. We have A as in pays, P-A-Y-S. We have A as in freight, F-R-E-I-G-H-T. We have A as in trains, T-R-A-I-N-S. We have A as in shake, S-H-A-K-E, and that's a silent E. We have A as in rains, R-E-I-N-S. That makes the phrase, hey, a great ballet doctor pays freight trains to shake reins. Hey, a great ballet doctor pays freight trains to shake reins.